Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your guide on this journey to discover new and exciting English words. Today, we have a simple yet incredibly important word to explore: believe. Believe is a verb that means to think something is true. It's a word we use every day to express trust, confidence, or faith in something or someone. For example, you might say, "I believe that it will be sunny tomorrow," or "I believe in you and your ability to succeed." Some great synonyms for believe are trust, think, and accept. You could say, "I trust that everything will work out," or "I think this plan will succeed." Another example is, "I accept the idea that people can change." These words are often used in similar contexts to believe, but can slightly differ depending on the situation. On the other hand, antonyms of believe include doubt, disbelieve, and question. For instance, if someone says, "I doubt the story is true," or "I disbelieve the rumors I heard," they are expressing skepticism. Similarly, "I question whether that is accurate" shows uncertainty, which contrasts with the meaning of believe. In everyday life, we use believe in many situations, whether we are talking about facts, opinions, or feelings. You might tell a friend, "I believe in you," to show support, or say, "I can't believe how beautiful this view is." It also appears in common expressions like "seeing is believing" or "make believe," which refer to visual proof and imagination, respectively. Here are a few more examples of how to use believe in sentences. "I believe she will arrive on time." Do you believe what he said about the movie? Some people believe in luck, while others do not. These examples highlight how versatile and meaningful this word is. So, to recap, believe is a verb that means to think something is true. Synonyms like trust, think, and accept can often be used in similar ways, while antonyms such as doubt, disbelieve, and question express the opposite idea. Thanks for joining me today to learn about this powerful word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your creativity, so why not create your own sentence using believe and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep exploring words and building your English skills. Take care.